For today, we discussed 50 products of Adobe Company with brief explanation. Before that, I need to see the overview of the company. Overview of Adobe Company. Adobe Inc. is a global software company known for its creative, multimedia, and design software products. It is a leader in digital media and digital marketing solutions, offering tools for graphic design, video editing, web development, photography, and document management. The company serves professionals in various fields such as photography, film, design, and marketing. Adobe was founded in December 1982 by John Warnock and Charles Geschke in Mountain View, California. The company initially focused on developing PostScript, a page description language that enabled high-quality printing on desktop printers. This innovation revolutionized the printing industry. Current position. Today, Adobe is a leader in creative software and digital marketing solutions, serving individuals, businesses, and institutions around the world. It continues to innovate with AI-driven tools, cloud services, and subscription models for users across multiple industries. I hope you get best understanding of about the company. Now the time to see the 50 of 50 Adobe products. Let us dive into it. 01. Adobe Photoshop. The first entry on our Adobe software list won't surprise anyone. If you want to edit images, Photoshop is the industry standard. So much so that the word Photoshop has even become a verb. But tweaking photos isn't all that Photoshop does. It's also a fully fledged graphics editor. And with Firefly integration, its AI photo editing capabilities are growing more powerful. Photoshop can be used, for example, to edit and compose raster images, graphics, and text in multiple layers. Edit and render text and vector graphics, and create and edit 3D graphics and video. This wide range of capabilities means that Photoshop is not just used by photographers and photo retouchers, but also by digital artists, graphic designers, and art directors, and even, increasingly, by 3D designers and VFX artists. It's important to note that Photoshop works with raster graphics, in contrast to Illustrator, which works with vector graphics. 2. Adobe Illustrator. While Photoshop has wide and ever-expanding capabilities, Illustrator is much more focused on specific tasks. It's essentially a drawing program based on vector graphics which contain less detail than raster graphics and are infinitely scalable. Illustrator is most commonly used by artists, illustrators, and graphic designers to create everything from simple graphics, such as logos, icons, and infographics, to complex illustrations, and everything in between. Illustrator for the iPad has also recently been released. Firefly has now been integrated here, too, so you can use text prompts to perform all manner of tasks like generating vectors, patterns, backgrounds, and more. These can be used to kickstart your process, generating ideas. 3. Adobe After Effects. After Effects is a popular tool for visual effects, motion graphics, and compositing, so a valuable entry in an Adobe software list. Although you wouldn't use it to create an entire movie, it might be used by a creative studio to create the kind of simple animations you'd feature on a website, in an explainer video, or on a credit sequence, for example. 04. Adobe Firefly. Unlike the tools above, Adobe Firefly is not just a single app. It powers a range of tools across the Adobe software list, allowing users to employ text prompts to generate images or video using generative AI. It's conceptually similar to other AI image generators, but includes a broader range of applications, allowing users to generate text effects and color palettes, as well as images. Adobe also claims that it's safe to use for commercial work because, unlike many other AI art tools, it wasn't trained on copyrighted work. 5. Adobe Substance 3D Collection. Adobe Substance 3D Collection comprises the industry-standard texturing Substance suite for 3D artists, which was acquired by Adobe in 2019. The collection features 5 3D design apps: Painter, Sampler, Designer, Stager, and Modeler, as well as a huge library of 3D assets. Adobe does now have a free Substance 3D viewer in beta. This allows 3D models to be dragged and dropped into Photoshop as smart objects. Adobe has integrated Firefly into Substance in the form of a text-to-texture and generative backgrounds. 06. Adobe InDesign. InDesign is a page layout tool that's used primarily for print, but also has digital publishing capabilities. The industry standard tool for the publishing industry, It's typically used by graphic designers and production artists to create posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, and ebooks.
7. Adobe Lightroom. Lightroom is a family of tools for image organization and photo editing. Its strength lies primarily in the former and is a good tool for a photo studio or photographer that needs to handle large numbers of images. It doesn't have all the image manipulation features offered by Photoshop, but that does make for a simpler interface that's easier to use for standard photo editing, tasks like adjusting curves in hue, saturation, and luminance. Lightroom offers a comprehensive set of editing tools such as exposure adjustment, color correction, sharpening, and noise reduction. It also features powerful organization tools, allowing photographers to catalog, tag, and search through their photo libraries. Lightroom is particularly popular for batch processing, allowing users to apply edits to multiple photos at once. 8. Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is a comprehensive video editing tool based on a visual timeline that's used widely in the film and TV industry, as well as by YouTubers and marketing and design studios, to edit everything from commercials and music videos to TV series and feature-length movies. Recent new features include Auto Reframe, which applies intelligent reframing to your footage, keeping the action inside the frame for different aspect ratios, and the ability to snap graphic elements to guides, to each other, or to tracked items. New Adobe Firefly AI tools can help with process in the latest version, with AI tools available to clean up audio transcription and to extend footage. 9. Adobe Express. Adobe Express is designed for social media creators. It can be used to make short videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok, as well as flyers, banners, and social media posts, with easy-to-use templates, simple design tools, and access to Adobe Stock photos, Adobe fonts, and other design assets. It now includes a range of AI features from Adobe Firefly, including text effects. There's a free and a premium plan. The latter can be subscribed to alone. 10. Adobe Fresco. Adobe Fresco is a digital art app, which mimics some of the best elements of other fine art programs for iPad, and it's available for Windows too. It combines the expression and power of Photoshop brushes with the precision of vector brushes. The live brush function allows you to paint with watercolors and oils that blossom, blend, smear, and smudge, just like in real life. Fresco has a simple and intuitive interface that's great for beginners, and it's now completely free. 11. Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere Rush is an all-in-one cross-platform video editing software that processes and uploads video clips quickly, ideal for social media content creators. The app supports video cropping, resizing, rotating, and color correction, plus a host of sound and sequence editing features. All content is saved in the cloud, ideal for editing across multiple devices, and there's an auto-sync option, which makes it even easier. Rush is designed to make it super simple to edit and upload content directly to social media platforms, so it isn't heavy-duty, but its full integration with Premiere Pro means it doesn't need to be. 12. Adobe Dimension. Adobe Dimension is a tool for mocking up, compositing, and rendering photorealistic 3D images based on 2D and 3D models, photos, and textures you have imported from elsewhere, including Adobe Stock. It's used by graphic designers to, for example, create product mockups, brand visualizations, and packaging designs. The main advantage is being able to create scenes that look like photographs without having to organize a photo shoot. 13. Adobe Dreamweaver. Last up in our Adobe software list is one of the original apps, and it's still around. First created in 1997, Dreamweaver is Adobe's tool for people who want to build websites, or HTML newsletters, without learning how to code. Dreamweaver was cutting edge at the time, but nowadays there are many alternative tools that offer similar capabilities and can be easier to use. The main reason to use Dreamweaver in 2024 is if you've used it before and like it. 14. Adobe Aero. This is an app for mobile devices where you can create and share AR, augmented reality experiences without coding. Adobe Aero is an augmented reality, AR, design and publishing tool that allows creators to build and experience interactive AR experiences without needing to write code. It is designed for both novice and advanced users to create immersive AR content using images, videos, and 3D objects. With Aero, designers can bring their creations to life in the real world using a smartphone or tablet. In summary, Adobe Aero is a powerful tool for creating AR experiences with minimal technical expertise, making it accessible for a wide range of creative professionals to design, test, and share AR content. 15. Adobe Air. This app is used by developers to create games and apps for several operating systems. Adobe AIR, Adobe Integrated Runtime, is a cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to build and run desktop and mobile applications using web technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, ActionScript, and Flex. Essentially, Adobe AIR enables developers to create applications that work across different operating systems, Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, without needing to rewrite the code for each platform. Generally, Adobe AIR is used to create cross-platform desktop and mobile applications using web technologies, allowing developers to build apps that work across different devices and operating systems without the need for rewriting the code for each platform. 16. Adobe Animate. Just like the name suggests, this app is used to animate all sorts of designs to use in games, web, e-learning, and so much more. It came to existence to replace the much-critiqued Flash. With it, you can also export into many more formats like HTML5. In short, Adobe Animate is a tool for creating interactive 2D animations in motion graphics, used in web development, games, cartoons, and mobile apps. 17. Adobe Audition. This app is specially built to work with audio. It has a professional tool set to record, edit, mix, and restore audio files for videos, podcasts, and sound effects. Adobe Audition is professional audio editing software used for recording, editing, mixing, and restoring audio. It's designed for tasks like editing podcasts, music production, sound effects, and post-production for video. 18. Adobe Behance. This is a social media site, app dedicated to all creators who want to share and sell their work. Adobe Behance is an online platform for creative professionals to showcase and share their work, such as graphic design, photography, illustration, and more. It allows users to create a portfolio of their projects, connect with other creatives, and gain visibility for potential job opportunities. Example, a graphic designer can upload their logo designs, branding projects, and posters to Behance, allowing potential clients or employers to view their portfolio and hire them for freelance or full-time work. In short, Adobe Behance is a portfolio platform where creatives can showcase their work, connect with others, and gain professional opportunities. 19. Adobe Bridge. Not all Adobe software is geared to create stuff. Some are made to make users' lives a bit easier, just like Adobe Bridge. This is a media management software program. You can visually see and organize all of your media files to categorize them and edit them in collaboration with other Adobe apps like Camera Raw. Generally, Adobe Bridge is a file management tool that helps creative organize, preview, and batch process assets while integrating smoothly with other Adobe apps. 20. Adobe Capture is a mobile app that allows you to create vectors, fonts, and patterns right on your phone that you can then use in Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, and other Adobe apps. Adobe Capture is a mobile app that allows users to convert real-world images into digital assets, such as color palettes, patterns, brushes, vectors, and 3D textures. It helps creative turn everyday visuals into usable designs for apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. Example, a graphic designer takes a photo of a textured wall with their phone and uses Adobe Capture to turn that texture into a custom brush in Photoshop, which they can then use in their digital artwork. In short, Adobe Capture is a mobile app that helps turn photos into creative assets, like brushes, patterns, and vectors, for use in Adobe design tools. 21. Adobe Character Animation. This app simplifies the animation of 2D designs. Using your webcam, the software animates your characters with your movements. This way, you don't have to do the work frame by frame. Adobe Character Animator is software that allows users to animate 2D characters using real-time motion capture. It uses your webcam and microphone to track facial expressions, lip sync, and body movements to bring characters to life instantly. Example, an animator creates a cartoon character and uses Adobe Character Animator to make it move and speak in sync with their own facial expressions and voice, all in real time. This is commonly used for creating animated characters for video content or live streams. In summary, Adobe Character Animator lets you animate 2D characters by tracking your face and voice, making it easy to create real-time animations. 22nd, Adobe Content Server safely publish and sell your own ebooks with this app. Adobe Content Server is a software solution designed to protect and distribute digital content, primarily for ebooks and other digital publications. It provides digital rights management (DRM) to secure content, ensuring that it can be distributed to authorized users and preventing unauthorized access or piracy. Example: a publisher uses Adobe Content Server to distribute an ebook to various retailers with DRM protection that ensures the book can only be read by authorized buyers, preventing illegal sharing or downloading. Generally, Adobe Content Server is a DRM solution for protecting and distributing digital content, such as ebooks, to ensure secure access and prevent unauthorized copying. 23rd, Adobe Creative Cloud. It is a comprehensive suite of software and services developed by Adobe Systems, designed for creative professionals and enthusiasts. It offers a subscription-based model that gives users access to a wide range of applications for various creative tasks such as graphic design, in video editing, web development, photography, and more. Creative Cloud combines Adobe's most popular creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and others, all available on both desktop and mobile devices. Additionally, it includes cloud storage, collaboration tools, and regular software updates. Adobe Creative Cloud is a subscription-based service that provides access to a collection of Adobe software tools used for graphic design, video editing, web development, photography, and more. It allows users to create, edit, and share digital content seamlessly. 24. Adobe Flash Builder and Flash Professional. Adobe Flash Builder is an integrated development environment, IDE, used for building cross-platform mobile applications and rich internet applications, RIAs. It primarily focuses on Flex and ActionScript programming languages to create interactive applications for web, desktop, and mobile devices. In short, Adobe Flash Builder is an IDE used for creating cross-platform mobile and web apps, using Flex and ActionScript for rich, interactive content. 25. Adobe Fonts and Adobe Target. It includes packs of Adobe fonts that you can use in your designs. These are included in the membership fee for you to use in commercial or personal projects without licensing problems. It allows designers to sync fonts to their desktop or embed them in websites. In short, Adobe Typekit provides access to a large collection of fonts that can be used in web design and graphic design projects, synced to both desktop and online platforms. 26. Adobe Fuse. This 3D model creation app is specialized in human models. You can change the physical looks of your model, as well as the clothes and many other features. Adobe Fuse was designed to make 3D character creation accessible to designers and developers without requiring complex modeling skills. It simplified the process by allowing users to mix and match body parts, clothing, and textures, and immediately visualize the result. This made it useful for creating quick prototypes, character models for animations, or avatars for virtual environments. In short, Adobe Fuse was a tool for creating custom 3D characters, which could be used in games, animations, and other 3D applications, with a simple interface for users without 3D modeling experience. 27. Adobe Illustrator Draw. Adobe Illustrator Draw is a mobile drawing app that allows users to create vector-based illustrations on smartphones or tablets. It offers a range of brushes, drawing tools, and the ability to work with multiple layers, making it ideal for quick sketches or detailed designs on the go. In short, Adobe Illustrator Draw is a mobile app for creating vector illustrations that can be exported to Adobe Illustrator for professional design work. 28. Adobe InCopy. This is a text editor that works together with InDesign. When you're doing a magazine or any kind of publication, this tool is used by the writers to edit the text part, while the designers continue to use InDesign for the graphics and layout. In short, Adobe InCopy is a text editing tool that allows writers and editors to work alongside designers in a shared document, primarily used in publishing for smoother collaboration. 29. Adobe Media Encoder. If you're a user of Premiere Pro or After Effects, then you'll need to use Media Encoder to render the videos done in those other apps. In other words, it compresses and converts formats of videos for universal use. It is a software used for encoding video files into different formats for various platforms and devices. Generally, it is a video encoding tool that helps users convert, compress, and export video files in different formats for various platforms. 30. Adobe Portfolio. This application allows photographers to create simple websites to showcase their work without any coding knowledge. Adobe Portfolio is a website building platform that allows creatives to easily create and showcase their online portfolio. In short, Adobe Portfolio is a tool for building professional websites to showcase creative work, such as photography, design, or art, without needing advanced web development skills. 31. Adobe Prelude. Adobe Prelude is an impressive multimedia organizing tool for sorting and arranging all types of movies, clips, and video clips. It is a reliable transcoding and tagging video production software designed for intuitive, efficient metadata entry that lets you tag and transcode video footage rapidly. It supports a wide range of cameras such as Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, and makes it easier to import and edit digitally recorded videos. 32. Adobe Scout. It is a performance profiling tool designed to analyze and optimize the performance of Flash and AIR applications. It helps developers monitor and troubleshoot issues like memory usage, CPU performance, and rendering efficiency in real time. In short, it was created to help developers optimize the performance of Flash and AIR applications by offering detailed insights into memory usage, CPU load, and rendering efficiency, improving the overall performance. 33. Flash Professional. It was a multimedia authoring and computer animation software used to create interactive animations, games, and rich internet applications. It allowed users to design and animate vector graphics, integrate audio and video, and develop interactive content for websites. Flash Professional supported the Flash SWF format and was widely used for web design, animation, and multimedia content in the early 2000s. It was particularly popular for creating animations, banner ads, and web-based games. A designer might use Flash Professional to create an animated character for a website with interactive buttons that users could click to trigger animations or sounds. 34. Adobe Stock. It is a stock photography and asset library that provides users with access to millions of high-quality photos, illustrations, videos, vectors, 3D assets, and templates for creative projects. It integrates seamlessly with Adobe Creative Cloud apps. In short, Adobe Stock is a library of high-quality assets, photos, videos, illustrations, that creators can license and use in their projects, integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud for seamless design workflows. 35. Adobe Substance 3D Painter. It is professional 3D texturing software developed by Adobe, used for painting and texturing 3D models in a highly detailed and realistic manner. It allows artists to apply complex materials, textures, and effects to 3D assets, often used in industries like gaming, film, and product design. Example, a 3D artist might use Substance 3D Painter to texture a 3D character model for a video game. They would apply skin textures, clothing materials, and environmental effects, such as dirt or scratches, all while viewing the model in real time. The textures can then be exported and used in the game engine for rendering. The Substance suite includes various applications, most notably Substance Painter for painting textures directly onto 3D models, Substance Designer for creating custom materials and textures from scratch, and Substance Sampler for converting real-world materials into 3D textures. In short, it is a set of 3D texturing tools that allow creators to produce highly detailed, realistic surfaces and materials for 3D models, used in gaming, animation, and more. 36. Adobe XD. This allows developers to make prototypes for apps, so the interfaces can be tested before they code them. Adobe XD is a user experience (UX) and user interface (UI) design tool used to create and prototype websites, mobile apps, and interactive user interfaces. In short, Adobe XD is a design and prototyping tool used for creating UI/UX designs for websites and mobile apps, enabling designers to prototype, test, and collaborate in one platform. 37. Adobe Experience Cloud. It is a comprehensive comprehensive suite of digital marketing tools designed to help businesses deliver personalized and engaging customer experiences across various channels. In short, Adobe Experience Cloud is a marketing and analytics platform that provides tools to personalize customer experiences, manage digital assets, and optimize campaigns across various channels. It's used by businesses to improve customer engagement, increase conversions, and growth. 38. Adobe Advertising. It allows full management of multimedia content from a single platform. Adobe Advertising is a digital advertising platform that helps businesses create, manage, and optimize their advertising campaigns across various channels, such as search engines, social media, websites, and mobile apps. In short, Adobe Advertising is a platform for managing and optimizing digital ad campaigns across various channels, helping businesses effectively reach and engage target audiences. 39th, Adobe Analytics. This toolkit allows for web traffic analysis. Adobe Analytics is a data analytics and reporting tool that helps businesses gather, analyze, and understand customer data across multiple digital channels. It provides insights into how users interact with websites and apps. In short, Adobe Analytics is a data analysis tool that helps businesses measure and understand customer behavior, optimize marketing strategies, and improve customer experiences based on actionable insights. 40. Adobe Target. It is a personalization and testing platform that helps businesses deliver personalized content, offers, and experiences to their website and app visitors. It allows marketers to conduct A/B testing, multivariate testing, and automated personalization to optimize the user experience and improve conversion rates. In short, it is a personalization and testing platform that helps businesses optimize their website and app content by delivering customized experiences. 41. Adobe Captivate. Ideal for creating e-learning courses, this app allows you to create software demonstrations, quizzes, and more, and later convert your content to MP4 or PowerPoint and other universal formats. Captivate enables users to design responsive content that can be accessed across different devices, e.g., desktops, tablets, smartphones. In short, it is a tool for creating interactive e-learning content, such as simulations and quizzes that can be viewed across multiple devices. 42. Adobe Connect. This is a platform built for video conferencing, online courses, webinars, etc. that can be used from desktop or mobile. Adobe Connect is a web conferencing and online meeting platform that enables users to host virtual meetings, webinars, online training sessions, and collaborative workspaces. In short, is a web conferencing tool that allows users to host and attend virtual meetings, webinars, and collaborative sessions with interactive features for remote communication. 43rd, Adobe FrameMaker. This is a word processor, but it's developed specifically for long technical documents. It is a desktop publishing and authoring software primarily used for creating complex documents like technical manuals, user guides, and reports. It supports structured documents, allowing for efficient handling of large amounts of text, images, and tables. It is known for its ability to work with both single-source publishing and XML content, making it ideal for professionals. 44. Adobe Presenter. As you can imagine by the name, this app is designed for creating and displaying presentations and slideshows. It is a software tool designed to create interactive e-learning content, presentations, and online courses. It allows users to transform PowerPoint slides into engaging multimedia presentations by adding audio, video, and animations. It supports SCORM and other e-learning standards, enabling the content to be easily integrated into learning management systems. 45. And Adobe RoboHelp. This software is for creating and publishing knowledge databases, such as the help or policy pages of websites. It is a professional authoring tool used to create, manage, and publish help documentation, knowledge bases, and interactive content. It allows users to develop web-based help systems, user guides, and manuals with support for HTML5, CSS, and responsive design for mobile devices. It's widely used by technical writers and content creators to produce high-quality docs. 46. Adobe Sign. Manage your documents with electronic signing in a reliable and legal way with this app, which is also available as a mobile version. Some tools are useful for anyone, from students to professionals, creators to users, and Adobe has thought of that too. It is a cloud-based electronic signature solution that allows users to sign, send, and manage documents digitally. It is commonly used in business environments to streamline document approval processes and improve efficiency. 47. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. I'm sure you're familiar with this app because at some point in life, you've probably received or downloaded a document in PDF format. This free software allows you to view, print, or comment on these types of files. It is a free software application used to view, print, and annotate PDF files. It also offers cloud integration, enabling users to access and store files online. It is widely used across various devices and platforms for reading and interacting with PDF. 48. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you want to create a PDF file, then you need the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat. It is a comprehensive comprehensive PDF solution that allows users to create, edit, convert, and organize PDF files. It offers advanced features like the ability to add annotations, fill forms, sign documents, and protect PDFs with passwords or encryption. It integrates with Adobe Document Cloud, enabling access and sharing across devices. It's widely used for professional document management and editing.
49. Adobe Scan. This is a mobile application that allows you to scan documents with your phone and save them as PDFs or JPEGs. It's free and it has OCR, optical character recognition, which means it automatically detects and reads text. Adobe Scan is a mobile app that allows users to scan documents, receipts, notes, and business cards using their smartphone camera. It automatically detects and captures the content, converts it into high-quality PDFs, and offers features like text recognition OCR for searchable content. Adobe Scan integrates with Adobe Document Cloud, enabling users to save, organize, and share scanned documents across devices. It is a convenient tool for quickly digitizing physical documents.
50. Adobe ColdFusion. It is a web application development platform used to build and deploy dynamic websites and web applications. It uses a tag-based programming language, ColdFusion Markup Language CFML, which is similar to HTML but allows for more advanced server-side functionality. ColdFusion simplifies tasks like database integration, form handling, session management, and the generation of dynamic content, making it popular for rapid development of web applications.
How many Adobe apps are there? There are currently 56 Adobe apps for PC, Mac, and mobile. Are Adobe apps free? No, most Adobe products and services are not free. They require payment via a subscription model. That said, Adobe does have a small number of applications that are free or have free versions, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe Scan, and the mobile versions of Photoshop and Lightroom. Is it worth paying for Adobe? That completely depends on your needs and how much use you'd get out of the apps. For professionals in the fields of design, photography, filmography, and others, Adobe digital media products are the gold standard and generally considered well worth the price. Depending on your profession, it's likely that more than one of these Adobe software apps would be useful for your work. Hopefully, you find this guide helpful in the quest to find the right tool that will make your workflow more efficient.